Oh, this tutorial is on how to start a Zoom meeting using the Zoom extension that you've downloaded into Chrome. So if you just open up a tab in Google, you should see the Apps button in the top left corner. This is where your extensions live. If you don't have that button, the URL is right here, chrome://apps. So once you're in here, you should be able to navigate through all of the apps you have to find the Zoom app. Go ahead and click on that. You'll have the option to join a meeting or sign in, which is what we need to do to start. Once you've logged in, they'll give you the option to start with or without video and whether or not you'd like to use your personal meeting ID for your meeting. And voila, we're in. So the two things that you need to make note of first when you get into any meeting is your microphone and your video. Right now I'm talking, so any participant would be able to hear me. If I click on the mic, that mutes me. That way, when other people are having conversation, any ambient background noise is no longer in your screen. If you're having difficulties getting your mic to work, try the settings next to the mic and just make sure that everything that you should be selecting is actually selected for you. You also have the option to play video or to not to. And your video will be replaced with whatever you have in your Zoom or maybe your Google settings, as I logged in with a Gmail account. Next to the video is another area where you can choose the camera, or you can look at the video and audio settings in a little bit more depth. So that is how you start your Zoom session. I wish you luck and have fun Zooming.